In this video, I will be showing you how to use voice for ChatGPT commands. The use of voice control technologies has changed how we interact with our gadgets. We can now operate our phones, TVs, and other technology without ever having to touch it. ChatGPT is one example of how this technology is becoming more and more well-liked. Users can give voice commands to ChatGPT, a conversational agent powered by AI. You can use voice control on ChatGPT by following the instructions in this video. So all you have to do is to go to Google web browser and type voice control for ChatGPT. Press enter. And then as you can see here, it appears sometimes at the very first. So all you have to do is to tap this one and then tap add to Chrome. And then after tapping this one, add extension. And then after that, all you have to do is to go back to ChatGPT and try this one. So let's try this. Go back to your ChatGPT, type chat open AI, and then press this one. So once you're here on ChatGPT, all you have to do is to tap this microphone icon here and ask anything or talk anything. And then after that, you have to click this one again so that they can generate answers for your questions. So I'm going to show you an example. Can you give me a sample itinerary to Bangkok? Or can you give me an example itinerary trip to Bangkok? And then once done, press enter. And as you can see, ChatGPT is generating an answer for you. It's so complete and so amazing. As you can see, it starts with day one, day two with the complete name of the airport, hotel, famous tourist spots, and foods. And that's it. Everything is easier when you use this voice or ChatGPT commands. If you find this video helpful and informative, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.